Most people overpay for products like this. Here's why this welding rotator roller is different. I've seen welders drop serious cash on clunky, underpowered positioners that can't handle real shop jobs. This one from INTBUYING actually delivers for the price, and the link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I've been running a small fabrication shop for a few years now, and one thing I've learned is that a good welding rotator isn't just a convenience, it's a productivity booster. This machine handles up to 2,200 pounds, which is way more than most DIY welders or small fabricators need, but it's nice knowing you won't outgrow it anytime soon. I've used it to rotate 6-inch pipe, 12-inch tanks, even some odd-shaped fabrications, and it's never struggled. The adjustable linkage lets you dial in the perfect fit for anything from 2 inches to 24 inches in diameter, so you're not stuck with a one-trick pony. What really stands out is the digital display control system. Instead of fumbling with dials or guessing speeds, you get precise control over rotation speed and direction. I've used it for both MIG and stick welding, and the smooth, consistent motion makes a huge difference in bead quality. It's not just about speed, it's about control, and this thing gives you that without a steep learning curve. The motor and polyurethane wheels are built to last. I was skeptical at first because some cheaper rollers use hard plastic or metal wheels that can mar the workpiece, but these polyurethane ones grip well without leaving marks. I've rolled painted pipes, stainless, even some galvanized stuff, and there's no slippage or surface damage. Plus, the motor is quiet enough that I can run it in the shop without it drowning out my music or conversations. Another thing I appreciate is how easy it is to set up. Most welding rotators require some kind of frame or mounting system, but this one comes with an adjustable linkage that clamps right onto your workpiece. I've mounted it on everything from a simple workbench to a sturdy table, and it holds rock solid. No need for extra jigs or complicated rigging, just clamp it on and go. I've also used this for long seams on cylindrical tanks, and the steady rotation means I can focus on the weld instead of constantly stopping to reposition. It's saved me hours on jobs that would have taken forever with a manual rotator or, worse, no rotator at all. The wide application range means it's not just for pipe, it works great for fabricating frames, repairing equipment, even some light machining setups where you need controlled rotation. Now, I won't pretend it's perfect. The power cord is a bit short if your outlet isn't nearby, so you might need an extension cord. And while the polyurethane wheels are great for most materials, if you're working with something ultra-delicate or textured, you might want to add a protective layer. But for the price, those are minor trade-offs. Overall, this INTBUYING Welding Rotator Roller is a solid investment for anyone who does a lot of pipe or tank welding. It's reliable, easy to use, and built to handle real shop conditions. If you've been struggling with manual rotation or overspending on high-end positioners, this could be the upgrade you need. The link is below if you want to take a closer look. For most buyers, the real question is not whether INTBUYING 110V Welding Rotator Roller 2,200 pounds capacity tank turning roller with adjustable linkage fits pipe dia 2-inch to 24. For cylinders pipe welding and fabrication electric positioner machine sounds impressive on paper, but weather strengths like 1 ton per 2,200 pounds load capacity and digital display control system actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like INTBUYING 110V Welding Rotator Roller 2,200 pounds capacity tank turning roller with adjustable linkage fits pipe dia 2-inch to 24. For cylinders pipe welding and fabrication electric positioner machine usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.